You will not believe what just happened this week. After months of grinding, backtesting, and staying disciplined, this day trader finally cracked the code and got his first payout from Nostro propfirm using a simple but powerful momentum trading strategy. In this video, we are diving deep into the extra step he took, from spotting the setup, managing risk, and riding the momentum, all the way to locking in that payout. Whether you are struggling with consistency or just curious about how funded traders really trade, this video right here is going to motivate you. And hey, there's a free gift waiting at the end of this video. Stay tuned. So grab your notepad, hit the like button, and let's celebrate this together. Let's go. We make it pretty easy for you guys. This is not hard. You understand? It is not hard. This is the type of video you need and you would like to watch. So make sure you grab this and you can pass your propfirm account consistently. So let's go, baby. So as you can see here on this diagram, this for a buy and this one is for a sell. This one is for a sell and this one is for a buy. You understand? So here right now is the liquidity. You should know that for sure. Here is the liquidity. Price need to grab liquidity before it continue going to the upside. Hope you understand. So let me write it down for you guys. So there is the liquidity and the break of charge BOS. You understand? So write it BOS, and here will be our target. I just want to make it clear for you guys before we go over to the chart. You understand? And before we continue, guys, I just want to tell you guys that I believe in you and I trust you. You will soon become a profitable trader. Just stick around a little bit, learn what you need to learn, find the right setup. Trust in you. I believe in you more than you do believe in yourself, and you will definitely make it as a forex trader. You understand? So never give up. I'm seriously telling you this, never ever give up. You understand? Your dreams will soon come. So right here, this zone here is your order block. So this is all you need to be having in your chart in order to take trade. This is for a buy. Understand? This is for a buy. And if you wanna enter this trade, enter at the order block, set your take profit where it should be, and your stop loss below the order block zone a little bit, and there you go, baby. You understand? So let's analyze for the sell. Here right now is the break of structure. First thing you need to identify where price is going. You need to identify that, and break of structure is our BOS. You understand? And the next thing you need to do is find where the liquidity rests. You understand? So, and voila, we have our liquidity. The next thing is our take profit. Then for you to enter the trade, you enter the trade placing your stop loss, placing your entry at the order block, stop loss a little bit below it, a little bit, and right there you have your setup. So this is only what you need in order to be grabbing these trades every day. First of all, you find that where the break of structure is. Finding out where the break of structure is, then you identify the market direction. After you identify the market direction, look for the liquidity and look for the order block that caused the break of structure. You understand? Then if market grab the liquidity, you place your order block, your entry at the order block, and your stop loss below the order block. Then you go for the high, the peak where market retraced. That should be your take profit. Easy and peasy. So let's go over to the chart. Let me show you guys what I mean. So right in this market, what can you see? Voila, what you can see right here is that we are moving to the upside. Let's go through and analyze it so you can be able to grab this type of setup consistently. Understand? So right here you can see that price have been breaking structure to the upside. Breaking structure. This is as well a structure that price is about to break or it have already broken it if you watch closely. If you watch closely, you see that this candle right here have already broke it. Understand? So you start by writing this out BOS. Next thing you have to do is, where does the liquidity lies? Right here. This is our liquidity. Here you have it. Then next thing is find where the order block is for your entry. So right here we have our order block right at this zone. Understand? We have our order block right here. Let's just write it, our order block. Since we have our order block, we will set our entry right here. You know where our take profit will be, at the peak where the retracement happened. At the peak right here where the retracement happened, that's where our take profit will be, right up here where you started having the retracement. Let's just call it our TP. So this trade is going to be executed. If you find this type of setup, always execute it, don't hesitate. So let's see what the market got. You can see price broke that structure, as you can see it here. Price did. So let's see if it's gonna reverse from our order block zone. Perfectly tapped in. You understand? You can see right here. Perfectly tapped. So as you can see right there, an easy peasy setup that you have to be taking every day with momentum. You can see how price rised all the way to our take profit with momentum. You understand? You can see this with momentum. This is a type of trade you should be taking consistently in your propfirm account. This is exactly how I passed mine. This is exactly how my students passed. This is the type of trade I'm sharing with them. So make sure to grab this. It is pretty easy. So let's go over to the sell trade. Let's go. Look closely to this chart right here. Can you actually find the setup? Let me give you a second. Anyway, let's go over to breaking down the setup. Right, as you can see right here, what is price doing? Going to the downside. Price is in a bearish state. Price is bearish, so breaking lows. Yeah, you broke this low, broke this one as well. As you can see, let's just write it, our BOS. What can you see next? Our liquidity. Then we look for our order block. That's all the same thing, you understand? As you can see right here, that's our order block. All you have to do is just place your entry and let price do its thing, you understand? So our entry will go here, will be right here. Stop loss a little bit above the order block. Let's see how this trade plays out. I forgot to write our take profit for us, you understand? Here. So as you guys can see it right now, let's play it out. You can see how price perfectly rejected from our order block. Let's keep playing it. And voila, TP was fully smashed right here. As you can see. As you can see right there, TP was fully smashed. TP was fully smashed right here. So this is the type of setup you will be taking. This is the 1:7. If you catch this type of trade once, you have already passed your propfirm account. You understand? So this is exactly the trade my students use to pass their propfirm account. So make sure you grab that and become profitable. I believe in you. I definitely believe in you. So If you like this type of content, you like what I'm teaching, just click the subscribe button and I'll make sure it's worth it. I'll be bringing out content that you really love, content that will teach you all you need to know about trading and being profitable. So subscribe, like the video, and if you need a PDF for this that I just teach you guys, if you need a PDF that you need to read at home or learn more about trading SMC strategy, just like the video, type in the comment section PDF. Just write PDF in the comment section, then I will reply you and give you the PDF. So I love you guys and I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, and go have your successful trades. See you in the next one.